Hello and happy Thanksgiving, my friends. Ellen here. I welcome all you back to my Southern kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today I am making a classic Southern appetizer, but with a twist. We're going to make shrimp deviled eggs. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and they're going to be full of shrimp goodness. And this would be great to serve for your Thanksgiving dinner or holiday parties and gatherings or any time of the year. Everybody's going to fall in love with these. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Thanksgiving recipes playlist and my previous video, Sweet Honey Pie. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your eggs, your mayonnaise, and your shrimp sugar, because we're about to make some shrimp deviled eggs magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is boil our eggs. In my saucepan, I have some water with 6 large eggs. I'm going to add a little salt and a little splash of vinegar. Going to turn our fire up to high. And all we do is bring it to a boil. Alright, my friends, our eggs came to a boil. So all we do now is cut the fire off. And we're going to cover the pot. And we're going to let the eggs sit in the hot water for about 15 minutes. Alright, my friends, it's been 15 minutes. So over here in my bowl, I have some ice water. We're going to place the eggs in it. It's going to help shock the eggs to stop them from cooking. So now we're going to let the eggs sit in the ice water until they cool completely. Alright, my friends, I got all my eggs together. I have 5 in my bowl and I peeled them. So I have 1 egg right over here. Just going to roll them like a basketball. And we're going to peel them. See how easily the peeling come out? And voila, my friends, perfect hard-boiled eggs. Now we're ready to make our deviled eggs. Alright, my friends, so we're going to take our egg. We're going to cut it in half. And voila, perfect hard-boiled egg. And then we're going to put the yolks in here. And we're going to put the shell on this cake platter. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting my eggs, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I got all my yolks in my bowl. So now we're going to mash them. Like so. Mash them up real fine. Into our egg yolks, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. I'm using my favorite, Duke's. One and 1/4 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish. And I drained the juice. A 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. A 1/2 teaspoon of seafood seasoning. And 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And last but not least, the star of the show, the shrimp. We're going to add in a 1/2 cup of chopped, cooked, small salad shrimp. And we're going to stir all these ingredients together until they're well incorporated. All right, my friends, I'm through mixing up my filling. Now ready to fill them. I'm going to spoon mine, but if you want, you can pipe them. Just going to put a dollop of the filling right into the eggshells. Like so. Alrighty, and last but not least, I'm going to sprinkle on some chives that I chopped. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Shrimp deviled eggs. Don't they look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Ooh, the filling is flavorful. Could taste the shrimp and all the spices. And I love that freshness from the chives. These are spot on, magnificent, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, stay safe, and happy Thanksgiving.